Administration of Kakatiya Public School. Today I am going to introduce a new topic, money. Yes, have a look at these pictures, children. What you can see in the pictures? Ice cream, chocolate and biscuit packets. Yes, biscuits also you have, children. Yeah, do you want these children? These things do you want? Yeah, I do want these things here. But how we will get this? How we can get these things here? If I go to any person, if I ask them, if I ask him or her, will they give me? No. Why? Because, see, something we have to give to them to get these items to us. Okay? What are that? I went to the shop. I have seen these things and I asked him to give. Will he give? No. We have to give some amount, something to him. So what is that something here? Something which we are giving, that is money, children. Okay. So if we give the money to him, he will give the things. Whatever we require the things, he will give if we give the money to him. So now we are going to learn about the money. What is money, children, here? So something we are giving to the person which we are getting. Instead of that money, we are getting something, other things. Okay, yes, children. What is money here? Have a look at these pictures here. Come on, here you can see some 50 coins or that notes, something, papers, coins you can see here. So it means these are the money, children. Okay, so it means we represent the money in notes. We represent the money in notes and coins, which you can see in this picture, children. Okay, so see, you can see here some notes and some coins. Okay, and in daily life situation, which type of notes and which type of coins you can see, children, here?
Yes, children, this is our currency, Indian currency, which you can see in coins. 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 10 rupee coin. And these are the notes, which are 10 rupee note, 20 rupee note, 50 rupee note, 100 rupee note, 200 rupee note, 500 rupee note and 2000 rupee note. Have a look at this picture, children. What the heading has given here? Circle the notes and coins needed to buy these fruits. Fruits, grapes has given, papaya given and watermelon given, children. Grapes cost is 12 rupees. So how we can show that 12 rupees, children? Which I circle, you can see, children. One 10 rupee note and one 2 rupee coin means 12 rupees. Grapes no here 10 rupee and 2 rupees. Coming to second one, papaya, 18 rupees its cost. So how we can give that amount to shopkeeper? One 10 rupee note, 5 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. And coming to watermelon, its cost is 24 rupees. So how we can give the amount here? 20 rupee note, 2 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. So total 24 rupees. So this is a way to purchase the things which we have the amount, children.
Yeah, have a look at this picture, children. What you can see here? 2 rupee coin you can see. Yes, 2 rupee coin we can represent, means we can make it that change into 1 rupee coin. Means the 2 rupee here we can take it as a change 1 rupee coin plus 1 rupee coin. Yes, 2 rupee coin, we can make it into 1 rupee coin or 1 rupee coin. Okay. And next what you can see children? Next 10 rupee coin you can see. Okay. So the 10 rupee coin, how you can change it here? How you can make it into the change here? So the 10 rupee coin you can make it as a 1 rupee coin plus 1 rupee coin plus 1 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin, like that 10 rupees, 10 1 rupee no 10 1 rupee coins, 10 1 rupee coins you can take 1 rupee coins, or else 5 2 rupee coins, 5 2 rupee coins, or else like this you write 5 2 rupee coins. Instead of 10 rupee you can make it in change 10 1 rupee coins, 5 2 rupee coins, or 2 5 rupee coins. Yes, children. Instead of 10 rupees you can make it changes like this, or else you can make it the two combination of 2 rupees and 1 rupee and 5 rupees also. Okay. So these are the ways to make the change of a given amount. Yes, children, have a look at this here. Write in words. We have to write this in words. How we can write this in words? Here you see, Amma. See here. The rupees has given. This is a symbol of money, children. Rupees. And here the point is there between the number. So point left side number will be the rupees and point after number will be the pies. Okay. So this will be the pies. So how we can say here, this 5 rupees 25 pies. 5 rupees 25 pies. 5 rupees 25 pies. Okay. I will look at this down one here. Here means the pies amount, pies number and rupees number is separating by the point. You can separate by the dash also, children. Okay. Now coming to this here. Here point is there, point left side will be the rupees. 235 rupees 05 pies. Nothing but 5 pies. Okay. So 235 rupees 35 rupees 5 pies. Yes, this is a way to represent the money into the words. I will look at this step, children, here. Write in figures. They have given the amount, you need to write, means in words they have given that you need to write into the figure form. How we can write the figure here? First one here, 100 rupees and 10 pies. Already I told you, children, we need to separate the rupees amount and pies amount by the dash or the by the point. Okay. So here, first symbol of that, rupees and 100 rupees. So first I am mentioning here 100 rupees and I am separating the rupees and pies number by the small dot. Okay. And 10 pies. So 10 pies. You can represent like this. So 100 rupees, 10 pies. And coming to this here, 8 rupees. Only 8 rupees has given, children. So here you see 8 rupees. And here pies are not there. You can keep dash 0.00 pies you can keep, or else you can write only simply 8 rupees. Yeah. And coming to here, 6 rupees, 5 pies. 6 rupees first and 5 pies. Pies number always it should be in 2 digits, children. Coming to this one here, 2 digits we have, and here I kept the 2 digits. If you don't have also, you need to keep the 2 digits only. And coming to this here, we have only 1 digit, 5 pies. So instead of 1 digit, you need to keep here 0, 5. Don't keep only direct 5, children. If they given in pies, in the pies, only one digit number, you need to take the 0, 5. Okay. Two digit number means obviously you can take directly, but if they given one digit number, you need to keep here 0, 5. Okay. So 6 rupees 05 pies. So this is the way to represent the amount into the figure. Now I am going to give the worksheet on this, on the basis of this, changing into the words and changing into the figure form. Okay.
Yes, children, this is today's worksheet. In that table, what you can see, children, two columns you can see. One column is in rupees and one column in words. Okay, in some places they have given rupees and in some places they have given in words. Where you are measured in words, amount has given no, that amount you write into the words. And in some places they given words no, that words you make it into in rupees column as a figure. Thank you, children.